5 dice were thrown 96 times and the number of times an odd number actually turned out in the experiment is given. Means here it is given. So 1 or 3 or 5, means on the top of the die we may get 1 or we may get 3 or we may get 5. Fit a binomial distribution to this data and calculate the expected frequencies. So here that they have given the table. So when you throw a dice, 5 dice, so we'll may get 1, 3 or 5, and these are the expected outcomes for the given number of dice with respect to what here their frequencies. So here, so first we need to find the probability. We know that binomial distribution means, in binomial distribution p of x they have given as ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. So we need to find the value of n, p, q first, then later we'll see what is the values of x and we have to simplify. Now, so first n is how many here? N is 5 because 5 dice they are throwing. So n is how much here? So here n is 5. Next p. P stands for what here? P is nothing but, it is nothing but number of dice showing showing 1 or 3 or 5. So it will be what here? If 1 is coming means out of 6 only, 3 is coming means 1 out of 6 only, 5 is coming means out of 6 only. So therefore it will be what here? 3 by 6, which is nothing but what here? 1 by 2. So therefore I can say that p value is 1 by 2 and q is nothing but what here? 1 minus p, that is 1 minus 1 by 2, so it will become 1 by 2. So we got p value, q value now. So therefore our p of x will become 5 cx, because n value is 5 cx. P is what here? 0.5 I will take, because 1 by 2 is 0.5 raised to x. Q value is also 0.5 raised to 5 minus x. So we'll keep this formula and we need to go for further. Means these are the observed frequencies what they have given the table. So we need to work out for a theoretical frequency. So by this is by experiment, and what happens with a theoretical frequency we need to check by using the binomial here. So now since this 5 dice were thrown in the question, they have given this 5 dice were thrown how many times? 96 times. So at that time what happens here? So since five dice were thrown 96 times, so what happens here? Therefore 96 times p of x, so which will consider a capital F of x. That is, capital F of x is nothing but 96 into 5 cx, 0.5 raised to x, 0.5 raised to 5 minus x. We'll use this formula to get what here? Theoretical frequencies. So here this x will take, means 5 dice means it will start from x equal to 0. What is the theoretical value? So this is the formula for theoretical frequency now. So when x is 0, what is the answer of f of 0? When x is 1, what is f of 1? When x is 2, then what is f of 2? Similarly f of 3, f of 4 and f of 5, and we'll see this whatever result we'll get from this respective table. Okay, now we'll put x is equal to 0, we'll see. So f of 0 is equal to 96 into 5C0, 0.5 raised to 0, 0.5 raised to 5 minus 0. So after simplification we will get the answer 3. Next, f of 1 is equal to 96 into 5C1, 0.5 raised to 1, 0.5 raised to 5 minus 1, and result will be what here. If you calculate, so you prepare a formula in the calculator: 96 into 5cx into 0.5 raised to x into 0.5 raised to 5 minus x. So after preparing a formula, calc option, so replace the value of x. When x is 0, answer is 3. So I have taken when x is 1, calc option, when x is 1, so answer is 15. So mention here 15. Similarly, when f of 2 is equal to 96 into 5c2, 0.1 raised to 1 raised to 2, 0.5 raised to 5 minus 2. So we'll check the answer directly. Then f of 3 is equal to 96 into 5c3, 0.5 raised to 3, 0.5 raised to 5 minus 3. What is the result? We'll check. Then f of 4 is equal to 96 into 5c3, 0.5 raised to 4, sorry, 5c4, 0.5 raised to 4, 0.5 raised to 5 minus 4 equal to, and last one, f of 5 is equal to 96 into 5c5, 0.5 raised to 5, 0.5 raised to 5 minus 5. We'll go one by one. When x is 2, so result is 30. When x is 3, result is 30 again. When x is 4, it is 15. When x is 5, it is 3. So these are the result what we got. These all results are nothing but theoretical frequency. So therefore the expected, that is, we call it is expected as theoretical frequency are 3, 15, 30, 30, 15, 3. So this is the required solution. Next